Nana.
Come, Nana.
Say, come, Nana.
Say, come to Pune.
Come to Pune. Come and play with me. Come, come. Come, Nana. Come, Nana. Come,
Dear Papa, I don't know what to say, but one thing I can definitely say is be it personal or professional life, I see yourself as a benchmark for all of us, and the way you work so professionally for all these years. And one thing that makes you stand out is we all work, that makes a difference in our lives, but through your work you have made sure that you made a difference in so many other people's life. And even if you do not continue to work for Tata Steel, but you will definitely find a way that will make sure that you make a difference in other people's life, and there can be no end to goodness in the world. All the best.
I love your loyalty towards your profession. You are very punctual in your work. You teach me many interesting things and tell me many stories. You never let me down and give me whatever I want.
We all have always believed in what you have done for us, what you always do for us, and probably what you will always do for us. That is being as a strong support for all of us and telling us that Mondays are not boring. Probably apne life mein I have seen only you telling this fact that Mondays have never been boring and you get up for a reason, whether it is office or no office. But the discipline in your life that you have always tried to inculcate in us, which we have not learnt much, but at least looking at that discipline, probably in our future we will do something more better. You're a strong support for all four of us, Papa. Thank you so much. And it's our time, it's a payback time. So when you need this support, you'll always find all of us. All means it's all the extended family as well as the four of us with you always. So there is no looking back. We are looking forward to more glorious years to come in our life now.
Hello, Papa. Although the amount of time I spent with you is quite less, but based on whatever I heard and whatever I have seen so far, I found you very much dedicated and committed towards your work and towards the organization, Tata. Anyone can come and replace you, but the amount of experience and exposure you have in this field is not easy to find. So you should always cherish that memory and should be very confident about yourself. Today you are getting retired, so consider this day as a normal working day when you have decided to switch the boss from the one who hired you to the one with whom you married. Your new boss might come up with a goal to join a gym. Please don't join that gym, Papa. As somebody rightly said, you are never too old to have another goal and to dream a new dream. To set up a goal of coming to Pune, to Mumbai, going to Singapore, meet your children, your grandchildren, and enjoy your rest of your life, Papa.
Hi, Papa. You've always been my idol, and I've always thought you as my real hero because from where you started and to what you've achieved today, it's a lot. And whatever we've got, a good education, our lifestyle, we owe it all to you. Because I remember the days when my teachers used to ask me that you have to write an essay about the person you idolize the most, who's your real model, role model, and the first thought that used to come to my mind is a you, because I've always been inspired by the way you've led your life. You've been an achiever and you're a very dedicated person. You've been a dedicated worker and a smart worker, because you very well knew how to get rid of the house nagging and all the naggings that we used to do. Papa, Holi mein chutti lijiye, Diwali mein chutti le lijiye. You used to very easily bypass all that and still ensure that you make it to work. You got all your daughters married, your son is married, and still you did not take a lot of leave, but you managed to do it all. Like, you maintained a perfect balance between your work and your life. You've really inspired me, and the amount of dedication you have, even if I get 10% of it, I think I'll be a much better person, a much better professional than what I am today. So this is a new beginning that is coming to you, and after your retirement, I think you'll have a lot of time to spend with your grandchildren, with your children, and future grandchildren that are about to come in Singapore. So plan your holidays and plan your year accordingly, where you spend a lot of time in Pune and Bombay, sometime in Singapore and US as well, because India has the first priority. So thank you, Papa. Thank you for always being there, and thank you for being such a great father and such a great role model.
बाबू उठो रे, सो गया क्या? नहीं पापा, ना जूलियस सीजर पढ़ रहे थे पापा. बोलिए. यार पता नहीं है पढ़ाई से कब छुटकारा मिलेगा, लेकिन फाइनली आई एम हैप्पी कि पापा आपको फाइनली ये ऑफिस के झंझट से छुटकारा मिल रहा है. इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम, यू डिजर्व अ ब्रेक, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. इनफैक्ट ऑल ऑफ अस आर सो हैप्पी that now you at least will have enough time for all of us together. And more importantly, पापा, इतने सालों में जो मम्मी को आप टाइम नहीं दे पाए हैं, I just wish कि अभी अगले एक डेढ़ साल आराम से बैठ के आप मम्मी को टाइम दीजिए. मम्मी की दिवाली, मम्मी का छठ, मम्मी का होली, मम्मी का दुर्गा पूजा, सुरसुरी, हर एक चीज में मम्मी को टाइम दीजिए डैड. And at the same time, believe me, in these last 36-37 years of your life, you have achieved a lot. You have stood as a strong pillar of support for all of us as kids, and I have always found you to be a very affectionate, supportive dad. Moreover, I have seen you as a lovable husband, and most importantly, as a great human being who has made difference to a lot of lives in and around you. So thank you, Dad, for all of it. And as Jijaji said a while ago, that all of us as kids look up to you as an inspiration, be it in a professional life or a personal life. And Papa, from all of us, we are gifting you a watch for all the good times ahead. Love you, take care, and all the best for the exciting phase of our lives. Ashruti, your turn.
Papa, I am very happy you've retired. I see a lot of positive changes. For example, you'll have lots of time to spend with us. I see you come and stay with us more often in Singapore. जब हम लोग भी घर आएंगे जमशेदपुर में, you'll have more time to spend with us, be it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. I see more movie times happening for us in Jamshedpur. And finally, Papa, puddings. I have been waiting for your pudding, Papa. That's still not done. So hopefully in June when you're here, I'll see the pudding happening.
श्रुति,
हाँ?
पापा के अपने अलावा भी कुछ बोल दो पापा के लिए. तुमको मूवी टाइम चाहिए, तुमको पुडिंग चाहिए, तुमको डिनर में टाइम चाहिए.
हाँ.
पापा के बारे में कुछ बोल दो यार. अब
पापा, I love you.
अटेरमेंट जब फैन हो गया. अटेरमेंट देखा तेरे दिल में पेंटर फैन हो गया. अटेरमेंट जब टको टिंक रखे.
Your Jabra fan.
नाना I'm your Jabra
मेरी
fan.
ज़ोहरा जबीं तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान
And Papa, finally, before I end, I just wanted to thank Mummy, who has been a very strong pillar of support, standing beside you in nurturing our career, in supporting you throughout your life without any retirement age or date. So, Mummy, thank you so much. तुम अभी तक हम लोग के लिए सबसे बड़ी वीकनेस और स्ट्रेंथ दोनों ही हो, along with Papa. So, cheers to both of y'all. Love you. Bye bye.